Hey guys, welcome to McDonald Coaching for all things physio, training, nutrition, and habit forming. Today's video is on taking measurements for weight loss, fat loss. Okay, so let's go through it. So if you're either trying to lose weight, gain muscle mass, or lose body fat, yeah, you want to have some sort of outcome measure generally. Yeah. Um, So we just need to you need to kind of understand weight and fat first of all. So if it's just weight you're trying to lose, then obviously you just take your weight. You could do it as simple as that. You're whatever 80 kilos and you've kind of worked it out that you should be in around 60. Just gonna weigh yourself and then set a plan. Um, but say, for example, you just want to get leaner, you're necessarily not want to really lose weight, but fat, and that's a different story. So important things to kind of understand, when it comes to a lot of these measurements like BMI and height to weight ratio and stuff like those, more the BMI, and you got three types of body types. So, for example, if you had, so you got ectomorph, mesomorph, and endomorph. So, ectomorph is your more long distance runner, mesomorph is the guy who can put on muscle quite easily, and endomorph is the guy who kind of put on kind of fat as well as muscle quite easily. Um, so, and you can be kind of in between two of them. So I'm probably more ectomorph, kind of your distance runner. So for me to put on muscle is quite hard. I generally have to lift quite heavy. Um, yeah, not saying it's not possible. And so if you look at BMI, which is your weight to height ratio, which should be between 18.5 and 20.9 ish. So if you get a bodybuilder who might be massive, like a strongman kind of type guy, or even just your general bodybuilders in the gym, their BMI is probably going to suggest that they're obese, which obviously they're not. They're just got a lot of muscle mass. So sometimes the BMI, I generally don't really recommend. Um, Again, if you're not, I mean, it doesn't consider the kind of body type that you might be. But it's an easy measurement that you can do. Um, then you got height to waist ratio. So your waist shouldn't be more than half your height. I think they use that more in America. Don't we tend to use BMI this side of the water. And then you could just take general measurements. So if you want to reduce the size of your waist, you mean measure the size of your waist. Simple as. Um, if say you're looking just to lose weight, just jump on the weighing scales. And you could also just take a photo. Um, Again, I think taking a photo is sometimes good. It kind of gives you that motivation and kind of encouragement going forward to continue and to stay in that shape. Yeah, and then you get the peer support. So if someone had saw that, if you posted the before and after picture, and people would see that and say well done, and you'd feel good about yourself, and you're getting a bit of reward there for all your hard work, and it would probably motivate you to continue on that path a bit. Um, and then last but not least, you got calipers. So generally, you kind of take four measurements, and you generally have to have someone to do this for you. So it's kind of waist, biceps, triceps, and around shoulder blades, sometimes thigh as well. And it's a big stupid equation. But generally for body fat percentage, the kind of men is between 8 and 19%. Women is like 21 to 33. Depends what information you're looking at. So what you could do, if for example you just wanted to lose weight in one area, say you were looking to reduce the size of your, say if we're just looking at body fat. So for example, I just want to reduce my body fat. I'm quite a, I'm in a healthy weight, but I want to get leaner. Um, uh, I might still take my weight, but what I might be looking at is more calipers. I might take some measurements. So I'm doing a lot of weight training. I'm trying to get bigger chest but a smaller waist. So I'll take a measurement of my chest and a measurement around my waist, trying to do the same points. So I'd probably do belly button and around nipple line for the waist. So that'd be a good outcome. Again, for me, a small guy, I'm not going to see massive changes there. Obviously, if you were a bigger, taller fella, you'd probably see a bigger percentage or bigger change in measurements. Um, and then and taking a photo would probably be good. And you'd probably see a bit of change there. But again, you want to be taking all of these things at in the same place or by the same person, because accuracy is key. With all of these, because obviously if you did calipers with one guy using one set of calipers and then calipers with another guy on another day, or like another day of the week even, or time of day, because obviously, for example, when you wake up first thing in the morning, you're the most dehydrated, and then say if you went to the bathroom as well, so probably the most dehydrated you are is first thing in the morning after you've been to the bathroom. Or, well, that's going to be your most dehydrated and your probably least weight, and then through the day. So if you were to measure yourself at the start of the day and the end of the day, it's probably going to be quite different. So yeah, there is some of these factors, obviously. So use the same weighing scale, kind of same light, I guess, with your photo. Make sure you're taking the same measurements and you're trying to be as accurate as possible. I would suggest maybe take 3 same measurements and divide by 3 to get the average. Same. You could probably do the same with height and weight, and yeah. So it's key is just to look at accuracy of all these. There is other things, the more accurate ways which you don't look at. Hydrostatic underwater weighing, and there's like DEXA scans, CTs, MRIs, bioelectric impedance, which is probably what you see at the gym more frequently. But again, you want to make sure same time of day. So if you're going to the gym first thing in the morning or after work, make sure it's kind of before your workout, not after your workout. That could change things. Again, this is important, but again, the most important thing, which I've said on many of my videos, is habits and being consistent. Try to figure out how you can be consistent and form good habits, and check out some of my other videos on habit forming. All right, thanks guys, bye.